The Mercedes-Benz 170V, 170VA, and 170VB represent one of the most iconic and historically significant series in Mercedes' pre- and post-war lineup. These cars weren't just vehicles, they were engineering milestones that bridged the gap between pre-war craftsmanship and post-war innovation. Produced between the late 1930s and early 1950s, the 170 series stood as a symbol of resilience, class, and German automotive excellence during one of the most turbulent eras in world history. The Mercedes-Benz 170V debuted in 1936, replacing the 170W15, and quickly became a success thanks to its combination of practicality, durability, and refined design. It was powered by a 1.7-liter inline-4 engine producing around 38 horsepower, which was considered impressive for its time. The car could reach a top speed of about 108 km per hour, offering smooth performance for both city and highway travel. It featured a ladder-type frame and independent front suspension, an advanced setup that provided superior comfort and handling compared to many competitors. When World War II began, production of the 170V shifted primarily toward military use, serving as a staff car, ambulance, and utility vehicle. After the war, Mercedes-Benz revived the model in 1946 to help rebuild its brand and Germany's economy. It became the first Mercedes car to roll off the production line at the newly restored Sindelfingen plant. The company modified the 170V for various roles, including sedans, police vehicles, delivery vans, and even convertibles. By 1949, Mercedes introduced the 170VA, an updated version of the original model. The VA featured refined styling, better interior materials, and slight mechanical improvements to increase reliability and comfort. Engineers upgraded the suspension and made minor aesthetic changes to modernize its look, while keeping the same 1.7-liter powertrain that had proven so dependable. The car retained its characteristic Mercedes grille, rounded fenders, and solid craftsmanship that made it appealing to professionals and families alike. Then came the Mercedes-Benz 170VB, introduced in 1952 as the final evolution of the series. This variant showcased more noticeable design updates, such as a wider body, improved heating system, and enhanced ride comfort. It also featured a more luxurious cabin with better seating and more refined finishes, aligning it with the growing post-war demand for comfort and sophistication. Although it still shared the same basic platform as the earlier 170 models, the VB represented a move toward the future of Mercedes luxury cars, laying the groundwork for the company's later successes in the 1950s and beyond. The 170V series played a vital role in Mercedes-Benz's comeback after World War II. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement of survival and quality. The vehicle's robust engineering allowed it to serve as a foundation for commercial models, taxis, and even early ambulances. Its success helped Mercedes regain its global reputation for building reliable, luxurious, and technically advanced vehicles. Today, the Mercedes-Benz 170V, VA, and VB are celebrated by collectors and historians alike. They embody the essence of pre-war elegance combined with post-war determination. Owning one of these classics is like holding a piece of automotive history, a time when every bolt, curve, and stitch told a story of innovation, endurance, and timeless design. The 170 series remains a proud reminder of how Mercedes-Benz transformed from a wartime manufacturer back into a symbol of peace, luxury, and progress. From its durable chassis to its stately appearance, it's clear that the 170V family didn't just transport people, it helped carry Mercedes-Benz into a new era of excellence.